According to this inscription says, this temple built by the great king Krishna Devaraya in the year of 1528. Krishna Devaraya went Tirtha Yatra to Andhra Pradesh. There is a place called Ahobalam. So where Narasimha killed Hiranyakashipu demon. So Krishna visited that place, and also there were Nava Narasimha temples. So one idol got impressed to Krishna Devaraya, that was the Yoga Lakshmi Narasimha Swami temple. When Krishna Devaraya saw the temple, and he took one artisan from Vijayanagar, his name Arya Krishna Bhattacharya. So the Arya Krishna Bhattacharya, they copied idol over there. They made a huge statue here.
So it is exact same copy.
Yes, yes, sir. Earlier, there was a natural boulders. With a natural stone, they made Narasimha image first, then after they built the temple. It is
So there's
completely,
always a reference image.
it is completely made by one stone, top to bottom. It's a monolithic.
That band also is.
Yeah,
one
but
stone.
newly added, sir. It is.
Okay, okay.
Look at the base. Above the base, there is a platform. Above the platform, there are three horizontal lines. That's the tail of Adishesha. Made it like a throne, three round. Above the tail of Adishesha, Narasimha sitting. And below the left shoulder of Narasimha, one hand went inside. Earlier on the left lap of Narasimha, there was a Lakshmi deity which is got destroyed during the invasion. Then seven-headed cobra, the both column, that arch Makara Toranam, completely made by one stone, 22 feet high. But in the invasion, Bahmani Sultans, they destroyed the both legs, both hands, Lakshmi deity, the Gopuram made of sandalwood, they set fire, burnt it down. After destruction, how the statue was looked like here in 1917, so Britishers, they took a photograph over here. You can see it. How it is after destruction.
So they fixed it.
See the Lakshmi body part, the head part, all the pieces of stones from here.
They tried fixing.
So later
Yeah.
on,
Thigh is fully.
yes sir,
broken.
later on Archaeological Survey of India, they collected all the broken pieces of stones. First, they renovated both legs, then added belt for the support. So under the thighs, you can see they kept stones for the balance. The both chest and stomach, you can see here, they carved a new stone. With the help of araldite gum, they joined it. Look at in the face, the both eyeballs, nose, teeth also renovated. The Sheshna glass set also broken down. They refit it. And even this Kirti Mukha also, you can see it. They renovated. Later on, during the hands and Lakshmi deity renovation time, there was a scholar in Karnataka, his name Dr. Shivaram Karanth. They came to Hampi for sightseeing like you. When he saw the renovation, he fit up a case against the archaeological department in High Court of Karnataka. They brought stay order. Because of, when tourists are come to see a Hampi, they want to know the fact. What was happening in past. Who destroyed, which purpose destroyed. After destruction, how the statue was look like. Then only history will remain. Or else we will spoil the history. That's why they stopped the renovation. Now everyone called Ugra Narasimha or Yoga Narasimha. Originally it was Yoga Lakshmi Narasimha Swami temple. And this is the back view of the Narasimha image.
Oh wow. Nice.
You can see the Lakshmi hand, ma'am. See the ma'am.
Yeah, see, the hand is going down.
Lakshmi hand.
Thanks to Shivaram Karanth.
ಅಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ಕಾರಂತ.